So for this second example, we need a few more tools to construct this triangle. So 1, we need the protractor, then 2, we need the ruler, and then 3, as usual, our compass. Okay, so same goes. We need to digest the question, so we see what is given to us. So number 1 thing given to us is the length of AB. AB now is 5 centimeters. BC is 6 centimeters. And then finally we are given an angle ABC, which is 70. So second thing we do is we will do a sketch of this triangle first. So say ABC. So AB, say 5 centimeters here, then C will be on top, right? So angle ABC means the angle is at B here. So B is 70 degrees. So we are going to use the protractor to measure this later. Then we know BC is 6 centimeters. So this is all we have for this question. So then, as usual, as per the last example, we would first draw a line. So in this case, I conveniently measure this AB, which is 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters. Then I know it's AB, so A is over here, B is over here, as we have in our sketch. Okay, so now we need this other side, which is, we need this other angle. Okay, let me get another pen. Okay, so we know that we are going to measure 70. So we're going to put this point here on top of this point B, because they say angle ABC. So I'm going to align that here. Then I will measure 70. 70 meaning we count from here, the 0 mark starts from here. 70 goes all the way up to here. So it's on this side. So I will draw 70 over here. So with that mark down there, I can just join the mark that I made just now with this point B. So we have this as 70 at the moment. Then you do know that we need this side to be 6 centimeters. So I take the ruler and then I take my compass, then I measure 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters would be over here like this. So I take this, I put the needle point, the sharp point over here, and then I make an arc like this. So this arc here will intersect our line that extends from point B, and this end will be C. Then finally, point from this intersection, I'll join to A. Then I label 5 centimeters here, I label 6 centimeters over here. And then 70 degrees is already labeled. So this method, or this series of steps, is used when two line sections are given and one angle is given.